Hi, and welcome to Hot Wheels for You. Have you ever gone down to the local retail store and found a Hot Wheels car that you really liked? But because customers have rummaged through the cars, the card corners are damaged. You might have even passed on cars that you usually would buy if the card corners were in better condition. Well, in this video, I will show you an easy, no-mess way to repair card corners and edges that are not badly damaged, making it possible to turn some of those throwbacks into keepers. First, we will need some easy-to-get items. A clean cotton cloth, a glue stick, a black dry erase marker, and a nice flat surface to work on. So let's start with this card. This one has a flared corner and some bumps along the bottom. We will take the glue stick and generously smear it along the part we want to repair. I like Elmer's disappearing purple glue stick because you can see exactly where you have put glue on the card. This glue dries clear. Now we will take the clean cotton cloth, sandwich the card between it, and gently squeeze the card together as we wipe off the excess glue. Once we have removed the excess glue, lay the card flat down on our surface. Wrap the cloth around your index finger and press down on the edge to flatten the card. Gently rub out and polish the card until it is nice and flat and there is no glue left on the surface. Once the glue is completely dry, the card corner will look great and any traces of the glue won't be visible. Now clean the surface with the cloth to be ready for the next card fix. Now let's get rid of the bumps along the bottom of the card. Apply glue as needed. Wipe off the excess. Press and polish the card edge. The card now looks great. Now let's repair a card that has a rough edge with black printing on the side. First, we'll repair the corner. Then the bottom edge. Then rub out the card. Now we will take the dry erase marker and run the edge of the marker along the edge of the black part of the card, being careful not to get ink on the back. Next, wipe off the excess. Dry erase marker is used because it will only color the white part of the card and wipes right off of the printed part. This is an amazingly easy way to repair damaged cards without using messy liquid glues. Well folks, that's it for now. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more from Hot Wheels for You.